In 2016, the Tasmanian Government introduced a new statewide Code of Conduct framework for local councils under the Local Government Act. The framework has recently been reviewed and a number of changes are currently being made in response to a range of stakeholder feedback. The Act provides that councils must adopt a model code of conduct which councillors must comply with when acting in their capacity as councillors. In simple terms, the Code of Conduct is a formal statement of agreed behavioural standards and expectations for councillors. Specifically, the Model Code establishes clear boundaries around councillor decision making, the appropriate handling of non-pecuniary interests, use of office, information and resources, the receipt of gifts and benefits, and the management of relationships with the community, other councillors and council employees. In doing so, it is hoped that councillors have a clear picture of how to conduct themselves in a fashion that avoids them breaching the code. Any person, including other councillors and the general public, may lodge a Code of Conduct complaint with the General Manager of the relevant council where they consider a breach has occurred. However, the expectation is that the formal complaints process should be used as a last resort in dealing with behavioural concerns after other reasonable avenues to resolve the matter have been exhausted. Complaints are investigated and determined by an independent panel. An investigation may include hearings where the complainant and/or respondent provides evidence to the panel. Where a complaint is upheld, the panel may, depending on the seriousness of the breach, impose a number of sanctions. These range from a caution or formal reprimand through to a requirement to attend training and counselling, or in some cases, a 3-month suspension from office. The Code of Conduct process does not deal with more serious complaints relating to potential material breaches of the Act. These are investigated by the Director of Local Government. The Local Government Division has a range of resources available on its website for both councillors and complainants regarding the Code of Conduct framework and complaints handling process. I encourage councillors to access these resources if they have any further questions.